Now, nakafika laphaya uyile labayamganda laphaya bahlangene bonke, even the teachers. Ubani Miss Webster, oh munye wabogogo balezizukulu, she's teaching there eMatsidiso. Now I went to the car, I said to my bodyguards, don't shoot, I will take the pangas. If they throw stones and now go where they shoot or bring deadly weapons, legally we have a right to shoot back. I said when they shoot, when they do, then we have in self-defense. But so far we didn't shoot. I scared them with those pandas. Phela nami ngokwami ni command. Angadwa nje. Anginobulawa inkwenkwe, anginobulawa umgodolo. Now, they use iskolo. They call on children to close the gate. I had to run to get Amapang for defense. What do you do when a journalist, when a police, when a politician, when an activist? If your son is locked in a school and beaten, what will you do? You will fight with everything that you can. What do you do if women keep coming to your house and they harass you? They know I have bodyguards, they know I have guns. They do it so that they can go and open a case and say, we have a pointing with firearm. Basadi ba ho ka bona mo ba dulang teng. They are trying to extend. How extend they? How na di furniture ka tlung? You know? They want to make money kana. They claim money and maintenance for me. So we are on a journey as incredible happenings and resurrection.